Hey guys, it is Gigi the Glam Traveler, and I am back at Universal Studios Hollywood to celebrate Mega Movie Summer. At Mega Movie Summer, which is happening all summer long here at Universal Hollywood, we are celebrating the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie, the Jaws 50th anniversary, and as well as unveiling the new roller coaster Hollywood Drift here, only in Hollywood. If you plan on joining Mega Movie Summer, continue watching so you can be ultimately prepared for this super fun summer event all summer long. We're going to start our adventure in Citywalk at the very back of Citywalk over by Margaritaville, where a brand new store has opened called Take Two. This is basically an entire store of old merchandise that is 50% off. Yeah, every single thing in the store was 50% off the price that you saw on the ticket. They had merchandise from every fandom you could think of, from Harry Potter to Jurassic World to One Piece to Dungeons and Dragons to even Despicable Me. They had everything you could possibly be looking for. Not only did they just have clothing, but they had tons of toys, home goods, accessories, keychains, literally anything that you could think of, even snacks like that popcorn you see over there. There was even merchandise for some IPs that we don't really see here in Hollywood, like Hot Stuff and even Dr. Seuss's Cat in the Hat. Isn't this Minion hoodie so cute? I seriously debated on getting it, but I actually ended up choosing a Spirit jersey from the Minion section. I regret not getting this, but they had this super adorable Minion sweet roll type of cake straight from Universal Japan. And also this bob with the cotton candy, so cute. They even had just generic Universal Studios merch. If you didn't want anything with an intellectual property on it, they had some hoodies, sweatpants, and even these really nice leggings. The material was super cozy. I kind of regret not getting these too. Once you start making your way down to Citywalk, they have these giant displays for all of their hit movies coming out. They had this for Jurassic World Rebirth, and they also had one for How to Train Your Dragon further down in Citywalk. Isn't this so cool? They had a prop replica of the pterodactyl egg's nest. I was so in awe. This is so cool to see in person. The How to Train Your Dragon photo op was interactive. You could get up in there and look like you're riding Toothless himself. I thought that was so cool. And it's not a trip to Citywalk without stopping in the Hello Kitty and Friends store. They had this brand new rack full of merchandise to celebrate the 4th of July. Tons of reds, whites, and blues, and I really liked this t-shirt. And this child's tutu was so adorable. I wish they made this in my size because I could totally rock this. Each new piece of the 4th of July Hello Kitty and Friends merch is going to be around $30 to $40. I believe the tutu is in the higher range and the t-shirts are in the mid-range around $35. Also, I might be late to the game, but I have never seen these before. Hello Kitty shoulder pals? Since when did Universal start doing shoulder pals? This is definitely coming home with me.
You're coming home with me.
Not only did I get that shoulder pal, but I got this brand new set of sparkly pink Hello Kitty ears. One final stop in Citywalk, we are stopping into the main Mega Movie Summer store, where they have all of the Mega Movie Summer merch, all of your Jurassic World merch, all of your Jaws merch, all of your Fast and Furious merch. You will be able to find it right here in Citywalk without even entering the park. One of the first things I noticed is this brand new Jurassic World cooling towel. I'd never seen this before, and it's fully reversible with one design on one side and another design on the other. For $24 though, I don't think a towel is worth $24. But hey, if it's a necessity for you in the park, by all means, at least they have it available for anyone who needs it. They also made sure not to leave out The Simpsons, which we have noticed in the past that they have not been getting as much love as they deserve. They had a huge rack full of Simpsons stuff for the Simpsons fan in your family who is coming this summer. I actually really think this Maggie shirt is so cute. I know technically it's a kid's shirt, but the fact they put it on the woman's mannequin makes it look like such an adorable baby doll tee, and I kinda need it. We can't forget the huge plush wall here. They had plush from all of your favorite franchises, from Transformers to Shrek to Minions to Secret Life of Pets and even Simpsons and Scooby-Doo. There was anything you could think of, and this giant Tim Bear from the Minions movie immediately caught my eye. If you don't know, I am just super obsessed with this adorable bear that only shows up for a couple minutes in these Minion movies, but he is just so cute and makes my day every time I see him on screen. And I also noticed in the sipper and popcorn bucket display, they had the brand new Tim popcorn bucket. And to my surprise, they actually had it in stock. When I read online, I was told that it was exclusive only to Orlando, but the fact they had it here in Hollywood, I could not pass it up. Look how cute me and my new Tim are. I'm already in love with him. I also noticed this wall of bubble wands that I'd never seen in the park before. And the fact they made a Tim one, I could not resist. Unfortunately, I don't collect the bubble ones, so I didn't buy this, but they had a lot of really cute ones on display, like that poppy one right next to it. I had to show off how cute Tim was just one more time. I just love him. Alright, we have officially checked out all the new stuff in Citywalk, so it's finally time to head straight into the park and see what all the new stuff they have to offer. But first, let's put all of our purchases away in a locker so we don't have anything to carry while we go look at all the brand new stuff. I'm already feeling a little hungry after doing all that shopping in Citywalk, so let's head over to the Amity Island Cafe, which is the Hollywood and Dine cafe all dressed up for the Mega Movie Summer in a Jaws themed restaurant, and I'm gonna try out that brand new shark fin funnel cake. That just looks so sweet and delicious, and it looks like it's gonna really hit the spot right now. And as always, Universal is offering their refillable cup for $20 or 2 for $17 each. And for the Mega Movie Summer, they have a 50th Jaws anniversary design all around the cup. They had tons of cool photos from the Jaws movie set framed and set up all throughout the quick service restaurant as well. It's really cool to stand and look at while you're waiting to pick up your order. They also had the brand new Jaws Deluxe Sipper on display and for purchase. Finally, we have received our shark fin funnel cake and it looks magnificent. The shark fin funnel cake is $13.99 plus $1.16 tax, and I got a $2.10 discount with my Platinum Universal Studios pass. The shark fin funnel cake is a classic funnel cake topped with blueberry compote, whipped cream, blue sugar dust, and a cookie shark fin to top. Just kidding. It is so hot. They just baked this thing fresh. Let's try the shark fin. I think it's just a cookie. The whipped cream on it is nice. Some of the blueberry compote. The blueberries are so good. I want to get like a better angle of this. There we go. Now you can actually see it. Let's dig in. Oh my god, I'm not going to be able to eat this whole thing. This is crazy. Get some whipped cream, get some blueberry on there. Oh yeah. I was a little nervous for it being $13, but it's massive. This is like to share between 3 people. Maybe even 4 people. This is so good. And the little blue sprinkles on top. I live. So cute. That blueberry compote with the whipped cream, it literally tastes like fruity pebbles or something. You already know this gets the perfect score for me. This is crazy. Presentation, taste, freshness, all 10 out of 10. 5 stars. After eating at the Amity Island Cafe, I walked over to the bathroom, and as I was walking to the restroom, I saw this giant shark display. It was so cool and even more bigger in person. Like, I can't even explain how huge this thing was. Definitely worth to stop and see, and sometimes there are some characters meeting by from the movie Jaws that you can meet and talk to. The How to Train Your Dragon photo op display in Citywalk is not the only How to Train Your Dragon display that they have here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Inside the park, they have a 50-foot long toothless statue. He is not an animatronic, but he is so cool to come and see. He is a life-size full remake of the Toothless from the live-action movie, and he is so cool. And on the other side of the Mega Movie Summer Stage, they unveiled the brand new Hollywood Drift ride vehicle. It is a bunch of different cars, and this is just one of the many cars featured. Each car holds up to 4 people, and there are going to be about 5 to 7 cars per roller coaster track. After checking out everything in the upper lot, I went to ride the Simpsons ride, and I've never noticed subtitled TVs here before. Is this new? Let me know in the comments below.
Okay, step right up, everyone's over there.
We haven't even talked about the main focus here for Mega Movie Summer. And that is, on the Jurassic World ride, they have finally turned on the cannons for the first time since the refurbishment. You get more soaked on this ride than you ever have before. Look how crazy wet you can get. I think it's time to go ride it and check out for ourselves just how wet you can actually get on this ride now that they have all the cannons turned on.
Oh, that got like way more water than usual.
to our Jurassic World family.
I was wondering where they were.
Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
The security team is deployed. They will get you to the old room. Everyone right there.
I hope you guys had so much fun watching my Mega Movie Summer video, and if you plan on visiting Mega Movie Summer, let me know what you're looking forward to most in the comments below. See you in my next video!